Just-in-time management has allowed Federal Signal's University Park, Illinois facility to reduce inventory from $20 million to under $10 million. The company has also deleted the use of over 100,000 square feet of floor space and now leases it to another company. JIT is a concept designed to help achieve high-volume production while using minimal inventories of raw materials, work in process, and even finished goods. JIT follows the logic that nothing will be produced until it's needed, so need is created when the product is pulled toward the user or customer. In theory, when an item is sold, the market pulls a replacement from the last position in the system. Big JIT is a philosophy that seeks to rid a firm of waste in all aspects of its production activities. Little JIT, on the other hand, focuses more narrowly on scheduling inventory of goods and providing service resources only where and when they are needed. This leaves no room for surplus or safety stock, which have been used traditionally in American manufacturing and are still sometimes needed. Part of Federal Signal's JIT training is based on the work of Kiyoshi Suzaki, who identifies several types of waste, including inventory waste, waste of motion, and waste from overproduction, among others. With the exception of the circuit board area, the company uses group technology during the assembly process and to eliminate waste of motion and waiting time. By grouping all of the machines required to make an item into one area or work cell, inventory and manual labor is also reduced. Due to sophisticated equipment, the circuit boards for all products manufactured at this facility are assembled in one area. However, each employee in that area knows which business unit they are working for. So, once boards are completed, they are sent to work cells within that business unit. To regulate JIT flows, Federal Signal has adopted the Kanban production pull system. Kanban, Japanese for sign, uses visual cues, such as cards and containers, or in this case bags, to determine when parts are needed. The authority to order supplies comes from the worker on the floor. If a container is down to fewer than 2 bags of a particular part, such as screws, a refill order is placed. Once the barcodes for each product are scanned, orders are then sent to the vendor electronically. The vendor fills each scanned order and delivers them on Friday of that week. Once the products are received, they are either delivered to the individual cell or picked up by a worker from that cell. Extra parts are ordered only if overtime is scheduled. Therefore, if a product design is changed, an overabundance of an old part would not go to waste. Automated machines ease the task of resetting, as well as help the company work toward a JIT goal of zero inventory. Prior to this implementation, setting old machines required additional time and labor. Therefore, excess items were produced, in part to justify the effort. With JIT and automated machines, lot sizes are smaller, resetting times have been reduced significantly, and equipment operators have the knowledge and authority to work on their own machines. This allows Federal Signal to stay ahead of the competition by quickly adapting to design changes without having large amounts of outdated product. Each production area at this company is designed around the specific product that a business unit produces. Oftentimes, the product is customized for a particular customer. Whether it's community warning systems, emergency vehicle lighting, or any other Federal Signal product, just-in-time management has helped improve quality, reduce waste, and enhance the overall efficiency of this organization.